Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix this site can't be reached error in Google Chrome. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Internet Options. Now you'll find Internet Options under the best match. Click on that. Now here in the Internet Properties window, you will find the Advanced tab. Click on Restore Advanced Settings. Click on Apply. Then click on the Connections tab. Click on the LAN Settings. Make sure Automatically Detect Settings this is enabled. And use a proxy server for your LAN. Make sure this is disabled or do not check this. Click on OK and click on OK again. Next method, right click at the Start button. Then you have to select Run. Here in the Run window, simply type ncpa.cpl. It's ncpa.cpl. Click on OK. Now the network connections window will appear. So if you're connected to Ethernet or Wi-Fi, the process is just the same. All you have to do is make a right click, select Properties. Now here in the Properties window, you need to locate the IPv6, this one. Make sure IPv6 is disabled. So if this is enabled in your case, you need to uncheck that to make that disabled. Click on OK. Then locate your connection again, make a right click, select Disable. Wait for some time. So by doing this, this will refresh it. So after some time, make a right click, select Enable. And you will be reconnected into your connection. As you can see, connected. Now make a right click on it again, select Properties. Now here in the Properties window, click on the Internet Protocol version 4, click on Properties. And here you will find this option, use the following DNS server addresses, click on that. So we are going to use the Google's DNS, which is one of the greatest DNS. So for the preferred DNS server, type in here 8.8.8.8. And for the alternate DNS server, type in here 8.8.4.4. Then you have to click on OK and close this window. Then for the next method, we can run some commands in the command prompt. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type cmd. Click on Run as Administrator on the right pane. Now here, simply follow me for the commands. First command is netsh space winsock space reset space catalog. Hit enter. Next command, netsh space int space ipv4 space reset.log. Hit enter. Next command, ipconfig space /flushdns. Hit enter. Type exit. Hit enter. Then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. For the final method, click on the start button, click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on Network and Internet. Here you will find Advanced Network Settings. Click on Network Reset. Click on the Reset Now button. Click on Yes. So make sure you remember your connection password, because after that, this will restart your Windows and you have to enter your connection password again. So that's it. If any of these solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.